Hi, to change system language of your Vivo X100 Pro, we would need to go in the settings first. And for that, find it on your home screen or in the drawer. Let's just open it from the home page. And now we need to scroll till we see this system tab. So after that, go in the languages and input, select languages, and now you'd see the list of your current languages. To add new one and to set it as default, you would need to go in this add a language tab, and after that select any language from the list. For example, let's choose Spanish and select the first option. And now it appears in our list. So to make it our default, we would need to hold that lines and simply drag it to the first place like that. And now, as you can see, everything translated to the Spanish language. Here, you can check it as well. Now, to change it back, we'll need to go back in this languages tab and simply drag the language we want to make as our default to the first place, and everything will be translated again within a couple of seconds. So, also we can delete not needed language if we tap on the three dots, select remove option, then choose language and move it to the recycle bin. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.